So my name is Xiaoshuang Li and involved in the Horizon Europe project, BIOMET4D. By training, I'm physical metallurgist and working in the field of LPBF since 2015, when I started my PhD at ETH Zurich. Now I'm leading the LPBF team at Aerosint to develop process and applications, and also to help the customer to develop innovative and competitive products by using multi-material technology. Aerosint is the leading company worldwide when it comes to powder bed-based multi-material additive manufacturing. In this project, we mainly help our partner Meotech to retrofit their mono-material LPBF machine by integrating Aerosint's SPD recoater. We bring our strong machine and process know-how and also our extensive experience to the project, ensuring that the high-risk and high-gain project will be successful at the end, and also the outcome will be the cutting edge. It will be challenging. However, it is a great opportunity to collaborate with researchers from different disciplines. It's also an opportunity to learn new knowledge and applications. For Aerosint, it's also a great opportunity to open the door to new sectors. This project will also facilitate the understanding, trust, and confidence among researchers, which lays down the foundation for future collaborations. Personally, I aim at strengthening my soft skills, such as project management, organization, and communication. Technically, I can clearly expect a deep understanding of manufacturability and the properties of the novel shape morphing multi-material components, and the development of a design guideline targeted for this material pair. For more project results, please follow us on the website or our social media. Thanks.